Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how exciting it is to manage your assets. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Matic from Uphold to your Trust Wallet in 2025. Matic, also known as Polygon, is a popular cryptocurrency for fast and cheap transactions, and moving it to a secure wallet like Trust Wallet gives you more control. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for the latest updates since crypto rules can change. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Uphold and Trust Wallet apps installed and set up on your device. If you haven't already, download Trust Wallet from the App Store or Google Play and create a wallet. Now, open Trust Wallet and navigate to the Matic network. You'll need to copy your wallet address, tap on the Receive button for Matic and save that address somewhere safe. Next, head over to your Uphold account. Log in, go to your dashboard, and find your Matic balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal options. Select Withdraw or Send, then paste the Trust Wallet address you copied earlier. Double-check that you're selecting the correct network. Make sure it's the Matic Polygon network to avoid any errors. Enter the amount of Matic you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check your balance first to ensure you have enough. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll probably need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After you confirm, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Trust Wallet. Once it shows up, you're all set. Pro tip: always use a secure internet connection and never share your wallet details. And there you have it. Your Matic is now safely in your Trust Wallet. This step gives you more flexibility for trading or staking. If you run into any issues, check Uphold's help section or community forums. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.